In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink OneDrive folder in Windows 11 PC, updated 2026 full guide. If you're changing accounts, troubleshooting sync issues, or just want to stop OneDrive from syncing on a particular computer, unlinking your PC is the clean, built-in way to do it. Unlinking stops the sync connection without deleting your local files, and your files in the cloud remain safely in your OneDrive account. First, look for the OneDrive Cloud icon in the taskbar area on Windows 11, down by the clock. It may appear as a white or blue cloud depending on your theme and account state. If you don't immediately see it, check the system tray overflow by clicking the small arrow to reveal hidden icons. Click the OneDrive Cloud icon to open the menu. Next, in the OneDrive panel that appears, go to Help and Settings, then click Settings. This opens the OneDrive Settings window, where you control sync preferences, backup options, and account connections. If you've been experiencing sync delays or seeing error badges, this is also where you can confirm your current status before proceeding. Now, open the Account tab. Here, you'll see information about the account that's currently linked to this PC. Click Unlink this PC. OneDrive will disconnect this computer from your cloud account. Your local OneDrive folder and the files already downloaded to your PC will stay on your drive, and your cloud copies stay in your OneDrive online. What changes is that new edits won't sync until you reconnect. If you had pending uploads, it's a good idea to wait until the OneDrive icon shows up to date before unlinking, so everything is safely stored in the cloud first. After the unlink completes, sign in again to OneDrive. This step reconnects OneDrive so you can continue syncing using the same account or prepare for a fresh setup experience. When the sign-in window appears, enter your account credentials and follow the prompts. Once you're signed in, OneDrive will resume syncing. You'll see the cloud icon update to reflect the connection, and the status will show when it's syncing or when it's up to date. That's all you need to do. To recap, you clicked the OneDrive Cloud icon, went to Help and Settings, and opened Settings, used the Account tab to select Unlink this PC, and then signed in again to OneDrive. This gives you a clean break and a fresh connection without removing your local files or your cloud copies. If you're troubleshooting, check the icon afterward to ensure the status shows that syncing is healthy. And remember, unlinking affects only this PC. Your OneDrive in the cloud remains intact and accessible from other devices.